Today we're talking about something very simple, but very powerful. Every sentence you speak in English has it. If you understand this, your English becomes clear instantly. We're talking about nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Simple way to remember: if you can see it, touch it, feel it, or think about it, it can be a noun. 1. Nouns for people. These are names of people: teacher, doctor, student, chef, friend. Example: the teacher is speaking. My friend called me yesterday. 2. Nouns for places. Places can be anywhere: city, school, park, airport, home. Example: I live in a big city. She is at the airport. 3. Nouns for things. Things are objects you can touch: phone and car, book, laptop. Example: this phone is expensive. I bought a new laptop. 4. Nouns for ideas. Abstract nouns. These are things you cannot touch, but you feel or think: love, happiness, fear, freedom. Example: love is powerful. He feels fear. 5. Common versus proper nouns. Common nouns, general names: city, boy, car. For example, I saw a boy. Proper nouns, special names, specific names, always start with a capital letter: New York City. Mohammed Qasim, Apple. Example: I live in New York City. Mohammed bought an iPhone. 6. Countable versus uncountable nouns. Countable, you can count them: 1 book, 2 books, 1 car, 3 cars. Example: I have 2 books. Uncountable, you cannot count them: water. Sugar, information. Example: I need some water, not 1 water. 7. Singular versus plural. Singular: 1. Cat. Car plural: more than 1. Cats, cars. Example: I see 1 dog. I see many dogs. Common mistakes: she have a car. She has a car. Information's information. I have many money. I have a lot of money. While in practice, speak like a native. Repeat after me: this is my phone. I love this city. Happiness is important. I have 2 friends. Now try your own. I have a notam. I feel kan. I live in kan ans. If you want to improve fast, don't just memorize nouns. Use them in sentences. Speak them every day. Connect them with real life. That's how English becomes natural. If you want to master English step by step, this channel is all about simple, real, powerful lessons. Stay consistent, and you'll see real progress.